The plains come alive as thousands upon thousands of wildebeest begin their incredible journey. Driven by instinct, they move across vast landscapes in search of fresh grass and water. No leader, no map, just an ancient rhythm written into their DNA. This is the Great Migration. Imagine standing among thousands of wildebeest, watching them move together across the endless African plains. Every step is a struggle for survival, yet every journey is part of something much bigger, the timeless cycle of nature.